In recent years, machine learning has witnessed tremendous growth and has played a vital role in driving innovation across various industries. TensorFlow is one of the most popular open source libraries for developing machine learning models. The TensorFlow platform helps you implement best practices for data automation, model tracking, performance monitoring, and model returning. The TensorFlow originated from the Google Brain team's Disbelief project in 2011, which was aimed at developing a scalable deep learning library. The open source version of TensorFlow was released in November 2011. Since then, Google has been continuously updating it, and the latest release in TensorFlow 2.5. TensorFlow is an open source library that is primarily used to develop and train machine learning models. It was specifically designed to support deep learning models and is used extensively in applications such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech recognition. TensorFlow provides an extensive collection of tools, libraries, and resources that simplify the process of building, training, and deploying machine learning models. One of the key features of TensorFlow is its ability to distribute computations over multiple CPUs and GPUs, making it ideal for large-scale data processing tasks. The big plus of TensorFlow is large community. TensorFlow has a massive community of developers and researchers who work at enhancing and improving the library. This community produces a vast amount of resources, tutorials, and documentation that make it easy for developers to get started with TensorFlow. The second plus is TensorFlow's architecture is highly flexible and can accommodate a wide variety of machine learning models, from simple linear regression to complex deep learning models. The flexibility means developers can efficiently build custom solutions for their specific use cases. TensorFlow is designed to optimize the use of available hardware resources such as CPUs and GPUs. The optimization allows for faster computation of data, making it ideal for large-scale data processing. TensorFlow requires high-end hardware configurations to run efficiently, especially when running large-scale computations. For this reason, you must have good hardware to use TensorFlow.